Welcome back to Adventure Zach. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, one that's bound to fuel your passion for aviation. We're diving into the world of home-built aircraft and exploring the reasons why I want to build a Zenith 750 Cruzer aircraft. But before we get into the why, let's take a look at the star of the show, the Zenith 750 Cruzer. It's a remarkable kit-built aircraft that has captured the hearts of aviation enthusiasts around the world. With its sleek design, impressive performance, and ease of construction, it's easy to see why it's a popular choice among homebuilders. Reasons to build a Zenith 750 Cruzer. 1. Affordable aviation. One of the top reasons I want to build a Zenith 750 Cruzer is because it's a cost-effective way to get into aviation. Traditional aircraft ownership can be expensive, but kit-built planes like the Zenith 750 offer a more affordable option, making your dream of flying a reality. 2. Hands-on experience. Building a Zenith 750 Cruzer isn't just about flying, it's also about the journey. The construction process allows you to gain invaluable hands-on experience with aircraft mechanics, electrical systems, and avionics. You'll learn how all the parts work together, enhancing your knowledge and skills. 3. Customization. The Zenith 750 Cruzer offers fantastic opportunities for customization. You can choose the avionics, paint scheme, and other features to make it uniquely your own. This level of personalization is rare in certified aircraft, making the Zenith 750 a perfect canvas for your creativity. 4. Performance and versatility. The Zenith 750 Cruzer isn't just a pretty face, it's a performer too. With its efficient design, it offers impressive short takeoff and landing capabilities, making it suitable for a wide range of missions. Whether you want to explore the backcountry or cruise at higher altitudes, this aircraft has you covered. 5. Thriving community. Building a Zenith 750 Cruzer connects you to a passionate and supportive community of fellow homebuilders. You'll have access to valuable resources, including forums, workshops, and experienced builders who can guide you through the process. 6. Fulfilling a dream. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, building a Zenith 750 Cruzer allows you to fulfill a lifelong dream of aircraft ownership. There's a unique sense of pride and accomplishment in saying, "I built this plane," and it's a dream come true for many aviation enthusiasts. So, in conclusion, building a Zenith 750 Cruzer is a fantastic way to enter the world of aviation. It offers affordability, hands-on experience, customization, performance, and a welcoming community that makes the journey all the more enjoyable. If you share the same passion for flying and creating something unique, consider embarking on this exciting adventure. I hope this video has sparked your interest in the Zenith 750 Cruzer and homebuilt aircraft in general. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more aviation-related topics. Thanks for joining us today, Adventure Zach, and as always, happy flying.